boycott Turkey calls that have been growing with multiple protests that have also been taking place. Pictures that are now coming in from the heart of the national capital. Demonstrators taking to the streets, slamming its repeated anti-India posturing and backing of Pakistan in the national capital. The Swadeshi Jagran Manch is staging a strong protest against Turkey, raising slogans and placards of boycott Turkey. The protesters are condemning repeated anti-India rhetoric and support to Pakistan. We have Shivani with us, getting us those visuals that have been taking place. Of course, protests that have been taking place against Turkey. Shivani, we are looking at several traders and business associations as well who are cutting all ties with Turkey.
Well, indeed, we are seeing that how the airlines are cutting ties with the Turkey Airlines, and similarly now the business community in India, especially in national capital, have called for a boycott for entire tourism plans or any sort of business with Turkey. And similarly, protests are taking place, and in the national capital, we have seen that clearly there are people, those have leveled up their voices, citing that it was India, it was Bharat that supported Turkey in their difficult times, in tough times during natural calamities, and at that point of time it was Turkey with open hands. It was, bearing up all the support from India. But at this moment of time where war zone like situation uprised and conflict started between India and Pakistan, at that point of time it was Turkey who chose the side of terrorism by supporting Pakistan, and henceforth now this cutoff has been called off, boycott has been called off. In fact, the flags of Turkey were burned off, those were shattered off, and clearly they say that any country that does not support India fighting against terrorism, we will be boycotting them, we will be boycotting every sort of business with them. Similarly, they also ask that we stand with the country and we clearly support this boycotting Turkey, and it will clearly give a big message to them because India has a huge population which affects the tourism
Well, as far as Turkey